Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the dollar CAD is still making higher highs, higher lows. I most likely yesterday said that if we get a break of sorts to the downside at a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely go short. But instead, what happened was higher low, higher low, higher low. At this point, I would say it probably is going to break this orange line, which is the break of structure level on like the daily time frame. So I would definitely continue to look for longs unless we get a very significant turn to the downside with a very significant break of structure. I would definitely continue to look for longs. If we take it up to a little bit of a higher time frame and zoom out, it probably is even going to go up and take out this high and maybe even make a run for this high. So more than likely, we will continue to look for longs on those sort of time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.